Yeah, he's not gonna. That's a far jump. Why is he throwing stuff?
Because Dave and Steph are in there.
No, they're not doing anything. I was in there 5 minutes ago. They're sleeping like 3 feet away from each other.
Yo, Pooh, move.
That's what I got.
Pooh, move.
This is my turn, sure.
He's not gonna make it.
Yo, someone get $10 for Pooh to jump on a fucking tent. He'll go fucking
Do it. What is he doing?
Yo, Kevin, you're not doing it. You ain't making it. You ain't making it. You ain't making it.
I'm not making it.
Who is in that tent?
I don't know.
I'm telling you right now, this is my bike on top of the motherfucker.
This tent right there. That tent.
I can't. They don't want me to. I want to jump.
Yo, somebody
I got it. He already did it once.
did he?
He did it from the deck onto the thing.
Record it. Whoa, somebody out of the purple one. Whoa, that's fine. The white one.
You'll see. Just watch out.
No, it's dead, bro.
There he is. He already did it once. I'll show you the video.
Shit's fucking
He did
gay.
it from there. He did a nosedive onto the top of it.
Yeah, that means it. Get him.
Here, you want flip-flops? Let me see your face, make sure you're good. You got a little bit of a bruise.
I underestimated.
Oh shit!
Kevin?
Look at his eye!
I underestimated the jump. That is my core. I underestimated the jump from here to here, bro. I can feel it here, here.
Yeah, you got a hickey right here.
This is my rundown channel.
Kevin!
No way.